Hi there, I'm Paige. I'm going to talk to you about Course Merchant today. Course Merchant is a seamless e-commerce experience for your LMS, designed specifically for selling courses online and developed and road-tested in real-world business settings. Course Merchant accepts payments and provides automated enrollments with single sign-on access into Moodle. Course Merchant sets itself apart from other e-learning-based e-commerce solutions by building a real store outside of the more private learning management system. Every Course Merchant store starts with a URL design match, built by our in-house creative services team. Your corporate design will be applied to the store to create a truly seamless user experience, reassuring customers with familiar branding and design. Let's have a look at some examples of this. The first store we are looking at is the Executive Institute at McGill University. You may notice that when I navigate through to their courses page, the design closely resembles their main site, with the header, fonts, and colors matching. This is actually their Course Merchant store. For the next example, I have browsed to Narrative 4, where I can click on Join Our Programs. I am taken to their Course Merchant store, where I can choose a category and then a course that I am interested in. As you can see, the design of the store matches the look and feel of their site. Moving on to our next example, I would like to showcase that our e-store designs are also fully responsive. I have browsed to the RCP site and selected their Online Ed area. We are viewing their Course Merchant store. And here I have opened the RCP Online Ed store on a mobile device. Finally, I have browsed to the PowerEd by Athabasca University site. PowerEd didn't have a site when we created their store. In a case where you do not have a design match site, we are able to offer you what we call design origination for an additional design fee. This entire site is their Course Merchant store. Our in-house creative services team can work with you to build out a fully responsive catalog experience, as is showcased in this example for Learn with Nala. Here are some of the top features you get with a Course Merchant store. Instant student enrollment, free to register capability, multi-seat purchasing, bundled products, multiple payment options, and discounting options. Let's have a look at these in more detail. Using single sign-on, instant student enrollment ensures that the moment the purchase has been completed, the student gains access to your LMS, already enrolled in the course and ready to start learning. While with the free-to-register capability, you can use Course Merchant as a powerful course catalog for self-registration purposes. This leverages the instant enrollment functionality, allowing the student to start learning immediately. When a customer places a multi-seat order, they gain access to the Manage Licenses area. This allows the customer access to their own self-service seat allocation utility, where they will be able to allocate licenses to their users in either single-user or bulk user modes. You can create a product in Course Merchant that is linked to multiple courses in your LMS. This creates what we call a bundled product. When a bundled product is purchased, the learner is enrolled into all the linked courses instantly. Your Course Merchant store can support over 45 payment gateways, such as Stripe, PayPal, Authorize.net, Moneris, TouchNet, Mercado Pago, and many more. Plus the ability to handle offline payment methods such as pay by invoice and free to enroll. You get multiple discounting options for your products in the store, with quantity discounts, voucher or coupon codes, profile-based membership discounts, early bird pricing and late registration pricing available. A dedicated project manager will be assigned to your implementation of Course Merchant. They will be your main point of contact and will coordinate with all the relevant internal teams during the build and go live process. If required, they can be available for weekly or bi-weekly meetings to address any questions and run through all the tasks and requirements of the project. As an optional feature, The reporting layer enhances course merchants' reporting capabilities significantly by using all the sales order-related data derived from course merchant for custom reporting purposes. Analyze sales data by type of product, customer, geographical region, number of learners, or any other data field you choose. Run reports on cost codes, finance codes, project codes, or any other product tag you wish to add. The reporting layer can be added to your store for an additional fee. People love course merchant. Let's hear from some of them. Colin Moran from the Irish Rugby Football Union had this to say.
Course Merchant has revolutionized the way the IRFU offers education across a wide range of departments and topics, and has enabled us to further empower our learners, which is one of our key objectives. The support staff we work with in Course Merchant have been excellent throughout, and I've always had a prompt response to any query I've raised. This has increased my own confidence in setting up the system, which I'm proud to say, worked brilliantly. As the IRFU expands our educational resources and offerings, we know how important an effective and efficient platform like Course Merchant is, and we look forward to continuing this work.
Thanks, Colin. Eric Sain from the Executive Institute at McGill University said,
Course Merchant has done an excellent job meeting our learner enrollment needs, including instant links to our LMS platform. Moreover, the design team has been outstanding in their flexibility, customer service, and technical expertise to build the right solution for our executive education services.
Thank you, Eric. Lastly, Kristen Mulligan from Power Ed by Athabasca University provided the following comment.
Course Merchant enables PowerEd by Athabasca University to provide learners with seamless, on-demand registration through a modern e-commerce experience. The Course Merchant team was extremely responsive in the setup of the PowerEd store and continues to provide the ongoing support necessary for business growth.
Thank you, Kristen. If you would like to join more than 250 companies who use Course Merchant to seamlessly integrate their e-learning platform with our versatile storefront and shopping cart, please contact us for a consultation.